The number one mistake that causes toddler morning meltdowns. The number one reason toddler mornings turn into meltdowns isn't what most moms think, and fixing this can completely change how your mornings feel. You might feel like your toddler is just being difficult, especially when every small step like getting dressed turns into a struggle or delay. But most of the time, toddlers aren't trying to be difficult. They're reacting to a lack of structure and not knowing what comes next. When toddlers feel unsure about what's happening next, transitions feel harder, and that's when resistance, frustration, and meltdowns start showing up. The real issue isn't behavior, it's predictability. And once you fix that, you'll notice your toddler becoming calmer and more cooperative. One simple way to fix this is by creating a consistent, predictable morning routine that your toddler can follow every single day. When your toddler knows what to expect, they feel more in control, which leads to smoother mornings and far less resistance overall. That's exactly what I help you build inside the 7-day reset, so your mornings feel calmer, easier, and much more manageable starting right away.